Hi there, I'm Peter Upfold and I'm the developer of Total Slider. In this short video I'm going to show you how you can use WordPress's built-in cropping tool to make sure that your slide background images look the best they possibly can. Let me create a test slide and I'll show you some of the problems you might run into if we're not doing any editing. So I'll add a new slide and quickly give it a title and description. And now we'll upload a background image. And when this uploads, I'm not going to make any changes. I'm just going to go ahead and say use as background image. And we'll drag this over here. Now this looks okay, but what we really want is to center the image in a different place and maybe also scale it so we can see more of the full-size image in the slider background. So let's go back into the background chooser here. Now just a word of warning, if you're using a picture from your media library that you're also using on a post or page, you might want to upload a separate copy to use just as the slider background, or the edits you make may also affect your post or page and that might not be what you want. For what we're doing, that's not a problem, so we're going to work on this one copy. So I'm going to go to media library and bring up the photo that we just uploaded. Now notice here, it's telling us what the best size to crop to is going to be for the best results for what it's going to look like on the slide. That's 600 by 300 pixels. So we'll just bear that in mind. And we're going to click on Edit Image. And this brings us into WordPress's standard image editor. There are lots of things you can do. You can crop, you can rotate, you can flip, as you can see here. What we're first going to do is maybe scale the image so it's about the right size and then crop it afterwards. So let's scale it. It's 1024 by 768 pixels. We want to crop it so it's about 600 by 300, but we don't want to resize the whole thing to only be 600 pixels wide. So let's sort of a roundabout figure. Let's say resize it to 800 by 600. And we'll say scale. And anytime you can actually restore your original image if you don't like the edits you've made. Right, now we've scaled that. Let's just start dragging here and it's going to create a selection. Now this isn't exactly the right size, we need 600 by 300, so I'm just going to go in here and type 600 by 300. And now I can drag this highlighted area around to crop the image exactly. So I'll just get it in exactly the right position here. Yeah, that looks good. And then we click the crop button up here. Now when we click save and then use as background image, you'll see exactly what I wanted is now showing up in the slide. And I'll move this over here because I think it looks better there. So this is a technique you can use on any image on any slide. I hope this helps you get the most out of Total Slider.